us, and today we are going to the toy run. This is a toy run that I go to every single year. We're gonna see some cool cars, meet some old friends. Crossing the bridge right now, and yeah, check it out. Never gets old. All right, we are here, made it to the event. Doesn't look all that busy. A lot less people than last year, it looks like, but oh well. Yeah, never mind about what I said about the wait times. It's been about 45 minutes or so. All right, they do have an event if you want to do the lead follow session. You know, you just pay a small fee and then they take you around for a few laps around Pacific Raceways. It's actually pretty fun. Such a clean NSX. One day, guys, one day.
What's up, YouTube?
Hey, what up? You guys know Zach. 430 is dope. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty cool. To me, this body style. Here I am thinking the Miata is small. Check this out. It's a Honda Beat, I think. Chad! Yeah, what up, man?
Hey, we gotta hide behind the cameras, right?
There you go.
Do the handshake from. Yeah, there we go.
You want to take a Tesla on the track?
I would like to. It'd be fun.
75 bucks?
That's what I heard.
Except we only go 80 miles an hour.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, there's a max. You have to follow behind the trainer.
Yeah,
Hey guys, I made it.
I'm right here.
I'm not in a comfy. I'm in a leather jacket.
They don't recognize you without the comfy.
I'm suitable now.
Yo, people are like, is this motherfucker really wearing a comfy or
I was at
snuggie?
home. Yeah, I was at home and I was comfortable and I was in construction mode, and that's my construction attire.
Right.
Someone's hiding shit.
Right.
Someone's hiding shit. God damn, dude.
Hey, man.
Washington. Come on up, guys, if you're a pothead. Holy shit, smoking trees.
No, why not, dude?
On top of cars.
It is kind of strong, I'm not gonna lie.
Hey, drop by afterwards. No, you don't. You guys can come with. You guys can come with. Everybody can come. You guys come over.
Smoke weed?
No, not smoke weed. God damn it.
Alright, guys, say bye to Chad.
It's sick. See you guys. Yeah. I'll see you next time. The car will be done. The wide body kit's on, by the way.
There you go.
It's on.
Nice, clean, wide body M3, love it. Damn. I love it.
Holy shit! Yeah, my buddy. Damn, that's fucking.
Hey, let's get it.
Over here, I really want to see what's going on.
Yeah, let me get Jacqueline's remote over here.
You think you have enough?
Hey, we got tons of room. Park it right. Go park your Porsche right there.
A little tight?
I don't know. It is a little tight.
It's not tight at all.
Hey, that's what she said.
So, do you approve of these donuts? Probably.
You know, he's gonna do whatever he wants to do, and if that makes him happy, then I guess I support it.
There you go. Good
It's a good way
sport.
to look at it, right?
Yeah.
As long as I have seatbelts, that's all I care about.
Yeah.
When I start, can you push that crowd a little bit over?
Do a little bit of crowd control.
Because that's where I'm gonna do it. Is right where they're standing.
All right, guys. He's gonna do some donuts probably around here.
Yeah.
Clear it out.
You didn't want to do it.